So we're just at the beginning of this job in downtown Camp Hill. So that is the existing deck that is being extended. So it's coming out and down to the end of the house, back and stairs, and a big insulated roof off that top level. So now, oh look at that bit of timber already come up. We had to turn up today because we just had to lift this big PFC in place. So you see Timmy up there just clamping it off. So that thing weighed about 160 kilos. The big fella's got called in out of retirement to lift that up into place. So, what are your thoughts, Benny? Was that fun?
The most important thing we've done today was lifting that into place, so have a day off now. Thursday we stitch it off.
Absolutely.
So,
You'll be out of here tomorrow. All right, yeah, concrete going all the way through here, so we'll keep an eye on this project. It's looking good. All right, here's Tim. So how are we attaching that PFC to the existing PFC?
So we'll run a bead of a weld right through the bottom, all the way along. Then we'll weld the top as well, stitch the top weld. And then there's a bit of timber that we'll fix, bolt down through the top of the PFC, so that we can fix all the joists to that with a triple grip.
Sweet. All right. Thanks for the explanation, mate. Well done. This has come a long way. You remember I put the video up the day we put that big PFC up. There's Timmy. Timmy, often known as Timmy the Toolman, Timmy Trumpet, Timmy the Carpenter, all sorts of things. All right. We have a mess here, but this is what happens during construction. We've got a slab that's going to be going in here shortly. That's going to be pretty much the last thing. But let's have a bit of a look at this beautiful deck now. So there's the framework, obviously. There's this plank in my road, which I'm going to get under. It's great when the boys can pull their utes up to the work site. Now we might just walk through the backyard and have a bit of a look back. So, family backyard, typical family backyard. And look at that. What an amazing deck. What an amazing deck and a roof. So we've got fascia boards going on. Tim's sorting that out as we speak. I'll walk up there in a second. Another quality up. So that's where the deck used to finish. So the roof stopped there. The deck was from there straight across. So we've obviously put that angle on and extended this section. So let's go up and have a look. So part of the design, I'll just real quickly, we'll talk about these fascia boards. So part of the design, I said we really need to continue that weatherboard bottom all the way around. Otherwise it just was not going to look finished. So, so the weatherboard will be hiding all of the frame. And Tim is in the last throes of doing that now. Now when we pour our concrete, we're going to be having a concrete pad there as well, which will be lovely. Now we've got some slats up here and the glass balustrade. So check that out. Alright, so we've got beautiful aluminium slats, powder coated aluminium slats in woodland grey. Beautiful gaps, all sorted. How nice is that look? So we had to put a bulkhead in here, a new beam in here because the post there. So we had to take that out and put a big bulkhead, a big PFC through and then fibre that to hide it. So there's obviously a bit of painting to be done. Apart from that, it's pretty much ready to rock and roll. Alright, Adaptit over now. Well, here we are, 12 months later from the amazing deck over here that we were looking at. So slab's all done. Kids are older. Roof, everything looks like it blends in. Absolutely beautiful job. Slab below the stairs. Grip tape. I'll just go up the stairs real quick and we'll just have a look. It's all been painted now. Baby gate, because there are plenty of babies on site here. And these flaming owls are here to stop the flaming birds. Apparently it worked for a week and it's no longer working. LED lights, but have a look at that. It's all been painted now. You might remember we had to put in some things. The blinds got shifted. Slats. There's babies everywhere. Looks amazing. Fan back in place. Adaptit TV. Over and out.